What's your favorite scientific study that you've done so far on X39? I think the favorite is always the first. When you're an inventor and you create something through divine guidance, so you're getting the truth, you're looking at nature and turning to nature for examples. So you know you're doing things in harmony with the human body and for the planet. When you're developing something new and you do a study and you see for the very first time, okay, I'm not crazy, this thing actually works. I all that time and energy and effort that I spent researching this and believing that there could be an outcome, it actually works. That becomes your favorite study most of the time. That's what I found anyway. So in this example, this was a small pilot study, but we have many more studies, but we've done our double-blind studies at this point on using blood studies, measuring increases in copper peptide. And what we found in this study, which was a pilot, our first one, again, taking people over the age of 60, because that's the group that's going to have lowest levels of copper peptide. We found that just after 1 day, that GHK is going to increase to statistical significance. And then, of course, once you synthesize GHK, which has its own benefits, it then binds with copper and becomes copper peptide. And we do, in fact, get statistical significance on this within the first week of using X39. So this study is fantastic because it was our first confirmation that the patch worked. And it also showed that using X39 the first day would produce a benefit. So that was my favorite study.